Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got some more parts for my Jaguar F-Type R. If you've been following the channel at all, you know I have done the upper and lower pulley, tune, race filters. But in doing all that, what'll happen is the cats will go out. So I decided to go ahead and pick up the Velocity AP cats and downpipe. And mainly this video is going to be showing what you actually get in this box. And in a future video, everything will be polished too. So it'll show the before and after of the polishing of the downpipes and everything. The other thing this video is going to show is a sound clip of the before, what the car actually sounds like now. So, and then in a future video, I'm going to show the before and after on the sound after this exhaust is installed. It's actually this cats and downpipe. They have exhaust as well, but I just wanted to do the cats and downpipe on this particular car. So what we'll do now is we'll go out to the garage and see what this sounds like now, so we can document the sound clip. So this is going to be a dead cold start. So what we'll do is we'll idle down. Of course it'll be idled up. We'll put it in dynamic mode as well. Okay. Rev up the car a little bit too once it gets just a little warm. Guys, I got these unboxed now. There is plenty of packing, so definitely no worries about that. Welds look really good too. I'll just kind of skim over them here. But this is the pieces. Hiflo cats and downpipes. So anyway, I will have these installed here pretty soon. Then we'll do a before and after on the sound video. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.